you go through this class, always be thinking about creative ways to develop your own unique vision. And how do you go about coming up with your own unique ideas? We'll start with the simplest of mechanisms. Try and break down the design to its lowest common denominator, like with math. And remember from earlier classes how this idea of random combinations driving radical innovation. Let's use the scissors as a starting example and take a moment to think, what else does this motion remind you of? And for inspiration, look at your mechanism from different perspectives. How about a snapping motion? Let's go ahead and add some teeth. And then consider ways to develop this thought. Then consider options. What sort of mechanism could we use to drive the scissor motion? And this class will give you lots of ideas and variations to work from. Once you have a mechanism that you think will work, you need to figure out how best to seamlessly integrate both together. And once the mechanism is running smoothly, you can go back and add the finer details, like the teeth. And remember, you can use one mechanism to drive multiple events. That's what we want to do here. Figure out how we could use this same mechanism to have something dropping in and out of the teeth, for example. How about a simple addition like this, where we've extended the mechanism, added this link to something that looks like a leg. Now, should the foot be coming up instead of dropping down like that? How could we reverse this motion? Now, here's the original pivot point right here, and here's the link going into a leg joint. All I've done is reversed those. And note, the direction of the foot is reversed by simply moving this pivot point. Now, to create and sell your idea, you need to make it look more realistic. And I'll cover this in later lectures, how we can add these figures in. Then take some time to reflect. How can you really make this your own? For example, how about we try and replace these three lines with the tail? And this is when I think back to other creative things I've done in the past. Could I drive the mechanism with these three fins instead of the three legs that I currently have? And this also gives me the chance to go back and improve on the original design.